I'll be honest, when I first heard about Heaven's Code, I was super skeptical. I mean, a biblical manifestation program promising miracles and unexpected money. Yeah, right. But after giving it a real shot, my life shifted in ways I never saw coming. So, what exactly is Heaven's Code? It's a digital program rooted in ancient biblical principles, designed to help you manifest wealth, peace, and even miracles, just by tapping into these hidden spiritual codes. The creator claims people have attracted surprise money, healed relationships, and landed insane opportunities. That sounded wild, so I had to try it for myself. Here's how it went. I followed their 7-minute prayer ritual every morning. Within 2 weeks, I got a random bonus at work. Then, out of nowhere, an old debt was forgiven. Was it luck? Maybe, but honestly, there were just too many coincidences to ignore. I realized it's not about magic. It's about aligning your faith and energy in the right way. Let's get real. This isn't a get-rich-quick thing. The pros? It's simple to follow. There's no fluff. It works for any faith, and there's a 60-day refund. The cons? You've got to actually show up and believe. It takes consistent faith. So is Heaven's Code worth it? For me, absolutely. If you're open to spiritual growth, I can't recommend it enough. Want to try it? The link's below. There's no risk with the guarantee. Drop your results in the comments, and if this helped, hit like so more people see it. See you next time.